Welcome back to my channel. So today, as my title said, um, it is my Christmas, my style, and it is a Christmas shopping haul. So welcome aboard. And if this is the first time you're here on my channel, please hit that subscribe bell. Don't forget to, when you hit it, make sure those little lines are over the top, because then you'll get all the notifications when my new videos have been uploaded. So I want to send a big shout out to my YouTube buddy Keisha J. Thank you so much for engaging me to get into this Christmas collab. So hi Keisha, looking forward to seeing what you're doing. So guys, don't forget to go by Keisha J Glam Everything. Okay, so guys, I'm going to start showing you some of the things that I bought, but before I go into some of the items that I've already purchased for this year, Christmas 2018, I'd like to tell you a little bit about my style. My style, I am that contemporary mode lady. I like and I love clean, straight lines. If I could, everything would have that clean, straight lines in my furnishings and basically everything in my design. However, as an aesthetic, we all need a little bit of curvature just to create that balance. So I go from contemporary to transitional in some of my pieces. I don't really become so orthodox that I can't move away from those clean, sharp, straight lines. We need a little balance, you know what I mean, ladies? So yeah, my colors, I've basically gone to gray, because as you know, gray is now the neutral color. The beiges and browns have been the neutrals for the past 15 years or so. So now gray has taken its place. So move over browns, beige, and yeah, beige, browns, those hues. So move over now, because gray is on the scene. Many hues of gray. So let's get started into this shopping haul, and yeah, I'm excited. So the first thing I'm going to show you, it's sort of like more or less a mini shopping haul than it's a huge shopping haul, because Christmas, you know, things have been coming out from maybe around the beginning of October. So, you know, there's still more shopping to do. But anyway, we're going to start with the first thing. My first item comes from Bloomingdale's. These are the lovely Christmas ornaments, the balls. This is going to be my color for the season. I'm going to also have an accent color. I don't know what the accent color is going to be just now, but this is the basic color. So I'll bring it up to the camera for you guys to see. And the price on this at Bloomingdale's at the height of the Christmas season now, this is $30. So take a look, guys. So these are my ornaments. You have the glossy and then you have the matte. Yeah. Next up, these are from TJ Maxx. And this is the dried botanicals, and it smells awesomely good. And so we have pine cones, dried pine cones, we have berries and other good stuff that smells so deliciously sweet. And that's TJ Maxx. And the price on that is $6.99. Now I love to put those in vase I use them for fillers a lot. Okay, these are ornaments, and these are smaller ornaments, and they go along with my color scheme as well, which is this gold and silver light color. And these were $9.99 at Marshall's. So you don't have to buy everything from a high-end store. Again, from Marshall's. These are a set of glass ornaments, and there's 27 pieces here. Wow, doesn't look like it, but it is. This is from Marshall's. Some glass ornaments. No, these are not glass. These are plastic, and the price on these are $4.99. So that's Marshall's, and as you can see, the colors are all coordinating with what my color scheme will be for this Christmas. Next up, I have more botanicals, and these are for fillers as well in vase. I have vase in many different sizes, so I have barks and dried nuts and acorns. So here we go, another dried botanicals. This is from Marshall's, no sorry guys, TJ Maxx, and it's $7.99. Next up, I have more dried botanicals, and this comes from TJ Maxx, and the price on this is $9.99, and there are dried fruits that have been coated with glitter. It also smells good as well. So this came from TJ Maxx. So basically I have so far, 1, 2, 3, I've got 3 items with dried botanicals because I use a lot of that in my decor when I am decorating for the holiday. I use a lot of fillers along with the glass and plastic ornaments, as well as candles. I use scented candles, and I'd like to share with you, actually, this I just received in the mail, and this I got from The View on View Your Deal. And they had these scented candles, and I'm really that fanatic for a scented candle. and there were many other fragrances, but and these candles are expensive, guys, but since Christmas is coming, I chose the fragrance Hearth. Okay, so that was the fragrance I chose. And yeah, I forgot what this cost me. It might have been $15 plus tax. I'm not sure, so don't quote me on that. And on the view your deal, as you know, you have to order. They give you like 24 hours to order. So this brand is Nest Fragrances. Now I know you could get these particular fragrance candles as well as I think oils. You can get this from I saw these sold at Bloomingdale's. I don't know where else you could get them, but I actually saw this brand at Bloomingdale's. So let me just open this up and show you guys. Oh my gosh, this is so delicious. It's almost like I could eat it. Although it's a very small votive candle, however, it is powerful and it just smells awesome. And again, the color, it goes with the colors that I will be using for the holiday. Smells good. I wish you guys could smell it. So yeah, it's called Hearth. So that's going to be the end of my little mini Christmas shopping haul for now, guys. And stay tuned because there will be another in this collab. There are 4 collabs. So if I didn't catch you on the first one, maybe I catch you 2, 3, 4. So we will be uploading for 4 weeks. So until I see you the next time, thank you guys for watching, and I appreciate your subscriptions, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So until I see